Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Raider Nation, and all the ships at sea. Today is November something date below at about 3:40 in the afternoon. The sun is going down. Let's take a ride around the Allegiant Stadium. It's been a while since I've been on the bicycle, and I wanted to check things out. Let's have some fun. And I'm back in the saddle again. All right, let's go. Right now we're on Russell Road, about to make a right turn at Polaris. If you can see that little pink sign off in the distance, that is Crazy Horse 3, a gentleman's club. Strip club. Okay. All right, here we go. The stadium is looking pretty good, everyone. They are getting the glass paneling done, and as you can see, the field, well, the future parking lot is being cleaned out, and some work is being done over here. Don't know what it is. And down below there, that's where the tray is for the field. That's the field tray. And hopefully we'll get a look at it once the place opens up. They stuck in a few palm trees for decoration. Yeah, it looks nice. They're still a little on the anemic side. Hopefully they'll grow into something big, gigantic, and majestic. All right, let's keep going. What's this cat doing? Looks good though, no? It looks very, very good. See, there is some of the glass paneling right there. It's always worse when we're with one hand over here. Huh. Like I mentioned, it is in the afternoon, so most workers, I believe, have gone home because when it's a busy day, Polaris is, chock-a-block full of the workers' cars and trucks and motorbikes. Whoa, big old truck. Woo. How you doing? Oh, crap. Oh, thank you. All right, here is Hacienda. Make a right turn. And have this, check out the ground right now. See this little pink or fluorescent orange? I guess they're going to expand the sidewalk maybe? Don't know. Makes sense. Who knows though? I don't know. All right, there we go. Check out all the glass paneling's been installed. I can't tell if that's done. You see, it's almost translucent. You can almost see through parts of the glass. Pretty snazzy. And in front, the packaging in white, those are the glass panels. Oh, we got a runner. Hey. How you doing? All right, here we go. Oh. Hold on, gotta adjust my equipment. Sorry if it was bumpy on the sound. All right. Now here is the oh-so-wide sidewalk that was completed recently. Like I said, by my estimate, it's about 40 feet wide, which is pretty good. And as people walk in, turn the corner, they'll walk right up into gate number 8, right here. which is the closest gate, I believe, to the Hacienda overpass. And here is our blacktop where they finished this parking over here. And like I said before on several occasions, it has not been announced exactly what this will be for, but my guess is, and I'm betting on rideshare gathering point and perhaps even rideshare drop-off point. The casinos, resorts should run shuttle buses down here, just as I believe the RTC, the Regional Transit Commission, which is the bus system here, will probably run shuttles. And this is an ideal spot to have people picked up and dropped off. All right, here we go. This opening is our lanai doors, and you can see some of the poles hanging down, which is assisting the roof in being raised. All right, looks good, yay? Very. Okay, now get a little closer. Some of you may be aware, there is a small little trail for walking next to the stadium. We're going to ride though. Why walk when you can ride, right? Following the footsteps of Duntov. As you can see, this is all pretty cool actually. One of the cranes has been in use to help put this facility together. Hope you guys can see because my phone's camera is not high quality. Okay, all right. As you can see, oh, here's the trail. All right. It's hard to get a shot without an extremely wide-angle lens, which we don't have. Whoa. This is pretty cool, yeah? Stop right here. And you can see the reflection of the highway. Hang on a second. Like I said, you can see the reflection of the highway and the traffic, commute traffic going home. There's the Mandalay Bay and the Delano. So hey, all right. Okay. And from here, it pops right out, back onto the sidewalk. And as the sign says, the Raiders are coming. 60th anniversary. All right. Across there is the Delano and Mandalay Bay. Looks good. All right, you guys, as always, I thank you all for watching today. I do enjoy the videos. And like I always say, if you're in town, or if you live here and you have not come by to see the stadium, just take a quick trip. It's just a short and delightful journey from the Strip to here. Just come on down, take a look-see. It is interesting, okay? It is very, very interesting. And another outhouse. All right. The bridge, which should be the main route for those coming on foot from the Strip to Allegiant Stadium. And we are done. Thanks for watching.